Imagine restaurant-quality salmon on your table in under 30 minutes. Rich, silky, and absolutely packed with flavor. Here's everything you need. 11 ingredients, 1 pan, and 25 minutes. Salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, and 6 garlic cloves, minced finely. Half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes packed in oil. They're the flavor powerhouse, plus 1 cup of heavy cream. 4 skin-on salmon fillets. That skin is what gives you the crispy texture everyone loves. Pat your salmon completely dry. This single step is what creates that golden, crispy crust. Season generously with salt and black pepper on both sides. The fish is thick, it needs it. Now smoked paprika. It gives the crust its beautiful deep color and subtle smokiness. Heat your cast iron skillet over medium-high. Cast iron holds heat better than anything else. Add your olive oil. Wait for it to shimmer before anything goes in. Patience makes a difference. Place your salmon flesh side down. That sizzle? That's flavor happening right now. Flip carefully. Look at that crust. 3 more minutes, skin side down, then off the heat. Remove the salmon and set it aside. It finishes cooking gently in the sauce in just a few minutes. Lower to medium heat. In the same pan, don't clean it. Add your butter. See those brown bits? That's pure concentrated flavor. Every bit of it goes into your sauce. Add your minced garlic and stir constantly. 60 seconds. Fragrant but not browned. Stay close. Watch for a pale golden color. That's your sweet spot. Burned garlic means starting over. Add the sun-dried tomatoes and a spoonful of their packing oil. That oil is pure concentrated flavor. A big handful of fresh baby spinach and freshly grated Parmesan to finish. That's it. Subscribe, tap the bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep cooking something delicious.